Frukost, men vi åt ju frukost.
In this video we continue our trip up along the east coast of Australia in a little van. We were traveling the east coast of Australia and waking up in the back of my van that I had transformed the week before. We had made it 200 kilometers up the coast from Sydney. Now it was time to go for a morning swim.
It's time for a morning swim.
The water was a bit cold, but we were getting ready to jump in. The temperature in the air was about 26 degrees Celsius. My plan was to drive all along the east coast of Australia, which is about 3,000 kilometers.
Är du hungrig?
Lite grann.
Ja, det blir pasta till frukost då. Pasta? Vi ska åka och köpa... Vad ska vi köpa?
Frukost.
Frukost, men vi åt ju frukost.
Ja, men vi ska köpa riktigt frukost.
Pasta.
Kaffe ska vi köpa.
It was the first morning together in the van, and I already knew that I really liked this kind of life. I started my van and we were about to continue the trip up along the east coast of Australia. It takes about 35 hours to drive from the south part of Australia to the north.
We just stopped here at this beach and it's time to have some morning coffee.
Just about an hour's drive north from the city of Sydney, we have some really nice cliff formations and beaches.
We gotta buy some food, but I don't have a fridge, so there's gonna be a little problem. We have a little problem here, trying to fit all the food in the van.
We had only spent one night in the van, but we already liked the simple life. You can just go anywhere you want.
We just got to the next camping and here we have a really good view.
The best part about this life was just being able to park anywhere and sleep there.
We have been driving about 200 kilometers north from Sydney. That takes you to these amazing beaches.
We started exploring this area and noticed that there were no people there.
Just got the table up.
Now it was time to make some food on my portable stove that only cost $25.
Today we are making some pasta with avocado, cucumber, tomatoes, onion and salt.
We had put up the table right in the middle of the beach, and this was probably one of the better locations I've had for dinner. The pasta and chicken really tasted delicious, especially with this view. The evening was approaching quickly and a severe thunderstorm was on its way.
Thunderstorm. Boom. Worst thunderstorm.
It was hard to sleep with all the rain, but eventually we fell asleep. The next morning we woke up to a really amazing view. It was time to make some breakfast. I had a 25-liter container and also my portable stove and a coffee maker. It's so great to just wake up and you're right there in nature. Now we were making coffee on my Volcano coffee maker from litside.com. It was so peaceful to sit there without having any worries.
It's time to take a shower at the camping. It was a very nice shower. Very nice. Had a great time here at the Frazer beach. We are going to the next place.
We didn't really have any set plans, just to drive up north from Sydney. But we ran into some problems when my van didn't start. We had to get it jump-started by some nice Australian guys, and then we were on the way again to the next stop.
Caves Beach. Caves Beach. Är du redo?
Nej, jag vill ha solkräm.
Solkräm. The plan of today is to go see some caves down here on the beach. Bring some lunch, the pasta salad that we made yesterday. Caves Beach. Let's see if we can find the caves.
Caves Beach is another incredible place located along the east coast of Australia. It's a cave system with a bunch of different caves that you can walk through and come out on different sides of the beach. There are also holes in the ground that you can sit in. We left from the beach and started exploring some other areas and also swimming in different places.
We just parked here at Dixon Park. And it's a beautiful day. Okay, so we are here at what's it called? Newcastle Motor Repairs, and the van broke down, and they're going to fix it.
My van had some problems. We got our bags and went to a hotel room instead.
Är du hungrig?
If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.